Open the Google Sheets template and copy it to your own account. Now we must open the Google Apps script to enable it. To give permissions, just click on the DoPost function and click on Run. Click on Review Permissions. Select your account. In this window, click on Advanced. And click on the gray Go to link. Click on Allow. Don't worry about the error message, is just because we run the code without parameters. Return to the Parameters sheet and click on ToChat Webhook Manager. We need to get the ToChat API key. To get your API key, go to your ToChat dashboard and click on your profile icon. Click on the API Access tab and click to copy the API key. Return to the ToChat Webhook Manager, paste the key and click on Load. Now we have to deploy the Google Script code to allow ToChat to send the data. In your Google Script tab, click on Deploy and New Deployment. Select Web App, give a proper name for this deployment. Your account must be in the Execute As field. And the Who Has Access field must have anyone. Click on Deploy. Click on Authorize Access. Select your account and click on the gray link as you did before and click on Allow in the last panel. This configuration must be done only once. Copy the URL, because we will use it in the Webhook Manager. Click on Add. Paste the URL in the Hook URL field. Select Message Received as the event. And select the phone number from your ToChat account. Now we have just some final steps left. We must create a folder in Google Drive, with the same name as this field. The allowed files define which file types we will save in Google Drive. Go to your Google Drive and create a new folder with the same name configured in the Google Sheet. Now let's see how this works. From a mobile phone, we can send a PDF file to the configured phone number. After a moment, a new folder with the customer name appears in the folder. Inside you will find the PDF file with the customer's phone number, date, and time of reception as the name. In this way you can start asking customers for pictures or documents, and every file will be stored in your Google Drive automatically, using ToChat.